day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with the H9 Pro Max smartwatch, and on this video, we are going to pair it with its support app. As you can see here, it is using the Lexus Fit application that is available on Android and iOS platform. On this video, we are going to pair it with our Android smartphone. So if you are interested to see on how to set up the H9 Pro Max smartwatch with the Android phone, the step-by-step guide on how to connect it with your Android phone with the Lexus Fit application, watch this video. And again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's begin and connect it with our phone. Let's install first the Lexus Fit application. I think the QR code is also available here on the smartwatch. Usually it's available on the settings. Let's check. So this is the menu. If not, we'll just search it directly on the Google Play Store. So we have here the QR code for the Lexus Fit. Okay. Or you can just go directly to the Google Play Store. Search for Lexus Fit. And we have here the app, as you can see. So the same name, the same logo. Tap on install. And let's wait for it to complete the installation. We have 70.96 MB. So let's wait for it to finish downloading and installing it in our Android smartphone. So very lightweight application for your smartwatch. Okay, 100%, and it's now installing. In just a few seconds, we'll be able to open the app. And as you can see here, Lexus Fit is already installed in our Android smartphone. So tap on open. Allow Lexus Fit to access this device's location, so it is a permission. So while using the app. And we have here another one. Access your physical activity for the sports. Okay. Then Lexus Fit to access your contacts for the Bluetooth call. And this is for our GPS. Allow. Make and manage phone calls. Again, for this is for the this is for the Bluetooth call. We'll allow it. Access photos and media on your device. We will allow it. And let's wait for it. If not, let's open it again. Okay. I have read and agree. So here, as you can see, it is asking you to log in or register. You can use your Google account or your email. In our case, we are going to use our Google account. Okay, so we use our Google account, and here is our temporary password and account number. Okay, then tap on OK. Please take good care of your account. Tap on OK. And next. Okay. Please enter a nickname. Let's add a fictitious name. Hello boy. Then OK. Set successfully. Okay, please enable notification usage permission. Look for the Lexus Fit application. Enable it. Lexus Fit will be able to read all notifications. Go back. So we are on the dashboard now. We have at least 4 main menus here. We have health, data, sports, and my. To add your device, you can tap on here or go to the my section, tap on add device, the smartwatch or the app will look for your wearable. Okay, let's wait for it to complete the search. So we have here watch 41. We don't have a name. Let's see if this is our smartwatch. Go to the about section of your smartwatch. General, then about. Is it has the same Bluetooth address or not? Let's see. 4142EA 330153. Yes, it is our smartwatch. To connect, tap on the watch. It is now connecting. So let's wait for it to have a connection failed. Again, if not, we'll remove some of the device that is using our Bluetooth connectivity. Okay, device connected, and we are connected. Bluetooth pairing request pair. Are we connected? Let's see. Device settings, find device, and we are connected. Okay, then let's have the basic setup. Message reminder. Okay, everything is set. Everything is activated. No permissions, already set. Then synchronize time, set successfully. How about our contact numbers? Let's see. Go back, phone book. Let's add one. Import. Let's add this number. Okay. Refresh. Synchronizing contacts. Please wait. As you can see, our smartwatch switched to download mode. And go to contacts. You have the dial here, contacts, and we have the number added to our smartwatch. So very easy so far. The dials, unit switch, phone book, everything's okay here. So nothing else to set. I think all of the permission has been approved already when we pair the smartwatch and when we install the application. Remote selfie, automatic heart rate monitoring will not activate this. Okay, and seems like it is stable so far. We are still connected. Okay, I'm waiting for at least a minute to see if it's still connected or not. And seems like we are still paired and connected properly to the support app. Okay, drink water reminder. Let's activate this. Sedentary reminder, activate, and that's it. Okay, so everything is set. We are connected. Very easy to set up for our H9 Pro Max smartwatch with a Laxas Fit application on Android smartphone. If you are having problems when it comes to pairing your H9 Pro Max smartwatch, drop a comment below. And if you find this video tutorial useful, like, share, and subscribe.